Hubstaff Talent Online Job Platform Review, Usage Experience. Today, I'm reviewing Hubstaff Talent, a free online job platform that connects businesses with remote freelancers and agencies. If you're interested, I've added a link in the description. Check it out after the review. Hubstaff Talent is designed for remote professionals across various fields, including software development, marketing, design, writing, customer support, and administrative work. Unlike other job marketplaces, Hubstaff Talent does not charge any fees or take commissions from freelancers, making it a cost-effective alternative to platforms like Upwork or Fiverr. Getting started is simple. You create a profile, list your skills, set your hourly rate, and add portfolio samples. Businesses can then browse profiles and contact freelancers directly, meaning there's no bidding system. You negotiate your rates and terms up front. Job seekers can also browse available jobs and apply directly. One of Hubstaff Talent's biggest advantages is its focus on long-term remote work. Many companies posting jobs are looking for ongoing contracts or full-time remote employees, rather than just short-term gigs. This makes it a great platform for freelancers who want consistent, stable work rather than one-off projects. Another unique feature, its integration with Hubstaff's time tracking software, which some employers use to monitor work hours and productivity. This can be beneficial if you work on an hourly basis, but some freelancers may find it restrictive, as it requires logging time through the Hubstaff app. A potential downside is the competition. Since the platform is free, there are many skilled freelancers, making it harder for newcomers to stand out. Additionally, there's no built-in payment system, meaning you and the client must agree on a payment method separately, such as PayPal or direct bank transfer. Overall, Hubstaff Talent is an excellent choice for freelancers looking for remote work without paying high platform fees. If you're looking for a free, straightforward way to connect with businesses for long-term contracts, it's definitely worth considering. Click the link in the description to check it out. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more job platform reviews.